Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, we will learn to specify a company's MSME registration number and status in TallyPrime. As a registered MSME company, you can specify these details and share the same with your buyers. You can print these details in your business documents, such as invoices, reminder letters, stock summary, and so on, that you send to the buyers. By sharing these details, you are making your buyers aware of your MSME status and thus enabling them to make payments within the agreed due dates. TallyPrime not only allows you to specify these details but also alter them when required. In such alteration, you have the provision to specify the applicable date. TallyPrime will apply the new details on transactions recorded after the specified applicable date. Specify MSME registration details. Open TallyPrime. Press F11 or Alt+K and Features to get the Company Features alteration screen. Press Ctrl+I, More details. Select MSME registration details and press Enter. Select your type of enterprise. Let us say Micro. Enter your UDYAM registration number. Press Enter. You must enter the date from which these details are applicable. Select one of the dates shown or select New Effective Date and press Enter. Specify the effective date. Press Enter. The MSME registration details are applied to all transactions starting from the date specified. Whenever your enterprise type changes due to a change in your revenues, you can update the enterprise type in TallyPrime. The new details will be shown in all business documents from the specified effective date. Press F11. Press Ctrl+I, More details. Select MSME registration details and press Enter. Update your type of enterprise. Let us say your enterprise type has changed from micro to small. You do not have to change the UDYAM number as it remains the same even when the enterprise type changes. Press Enter. Specify the effective date and press Ctrl+A. Your enterprise type is updated and will start appearing in your business documents after the effective date. You can print the MSME registration details in business documents that you share with your buyers. Let us look at printing these details in a sales invoice. Open a sales invoice. Press Alt+P. Click Current. Press C or click Configure to enable the option for printing MSME registration details. You have to enable this option once and TallyPrime will print the details going forward. Select the option Show UDYAM registration number and enterprise type and press Enter to enable the option. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Press P or click Print. As you can see, the UDYAM number and enterprise type is shown in the invoice copy. Similarly, you can print these details in reports such as reminder letters and stock summary report. Press Alt+G, go to. Select or type Ledger Outstandings and press Enter. Select the buyer and press Enter. In the Ledger Outstandings report for the party, press Alt+P. Select Configure and press Enter. Enable the option for printing MSME registration details. You have to enable this option once and TallyPrime will print the details going forward. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Press Alt+P. Select Current. Press C or click Configure. Press Enter on report type and select the option Reminder Letter. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Press P or click Print. As you can see, the UDYAM number and enterprise type are shown in the reminder letter. In this way, you can increase the visibility of your MSME status and drive timely receipt of payments using TallyPrime.